Hi again, and thank you for joining me. If this is your first time here, my name is Chris Bludorn, and today I want to talk to you about a neat product I stumbled upon on Amazon. So I've been thinking about buying some of the packing cubes because I've seen so many videos on all of the stuff that you can pack with them and how it helps you to stay organized. But I think I found something I'm going to like even better. So now this is called a suitcase organizer. It's actually like a hanging packing cube, and it has these little hooks on the end so you can hang it in a closet. And their ad says unpack instantly. So when I saw that, I thought, ooh, that might be even better than just a regular packing cube. The size that I've purchased is ideal for backpacks and carry-ons, but they do have a larger one that's for your big suitcases. I also purchased what they call a compression strap, which is supposed to just go over your organizer so that you can compress it by 50% is what they're saying in the ad. So we'll see if that works as well. All right, so let's see how this works. So as you can see, I've already put some of my non-liquid toiletries in the very top here. And I went on ahead and put undergarments, socks, and a pair of pajamas in that little second little space there. And what that leaves me, I have a pair of jeans, a 2-pair casual pants, a pair of leggings, and 4 tops that I'm also going to take with me. So let's put the tops in. And I've just folded them down into small sizes so that they'll fit nicely. And now the pants. This might be a little tougher, even though I've folded them pretty small. We'll see if they actually fit. That's 2 pair. Now that's a tight squeeze, but I did get all 4 pair in there. And I can see now that I am glad that I bought the compression strap, because otherwise that would not fit in my suitcase. So let's see now, once we put the compression strap on, if it'll shrink it enough that it will actually go in my luggage. So it just fits over the top, and it has like a little clasp on 2 sides, right? So you're gonna just join those there, and we'll take the ones on the side. And I think I want to try to get the hooks under there too, so they aren't flapping around. We'll join that there. So as you can see, it just snaps on the end there. And then it's just a matter of pulling down, hopefully, to adjust this. So I'm just going to pull down on each side. There's one on all 4 sides. So I'm just going to pull it down and see if it'll shrink this enough, or maybe I should use the word compress, if it'll compress this enough that I can actually get it in my suitcase. It seems to be working well. And it's super easy, which is always helpful. So that's what I get. See if we can compress it a little bit more. Still a little large for my suitcase. Oh yeah, I didn't do that one very well at all. So yeah, with a little effort, it certainly makes it small enough. And now the question is whether or not my suitcase will zip. Because if it doesn't, it didn't do us much good. Oh, wow. So that was easier than I expected it to be. As you can see, it is in fact zipped up. ready to go. So if you're interested in this product, I'll put the links in the description below so you can go to Amazon and check it out. I certainly think it's a great idea to be able to get more in your suitcase. This is truly the most I've ever put in this little small carry-on. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video, and until next time, stay safe and remember, travel is life.